God, help me. You have a pink camera? Rip it open. I can't get it open.
Sorry, all we could afford was the box.
What the heck?
All we could afford was the box.
That's dirty.
Sorry.
Oh, no, what the heck?
That is
Oh, we can
so
afford it.
dirty. I can't believe they did that to you.
I know, man. Look at Tammy's nice new shoes, though. Oh, we made Tammy put them on.
Do I have to give them back?
We tricked you.
Vic, they might be the most
We tricked you.
I've ever worn. Vic, seriously?
I got you!
Hi, we tricked
They might be the
you.
most comfortable shoes.
Look at her, she's about to cry.
You little turd.
Hold on. You like that trick, didn't you? You like them? That's the one.
How did you do that?
Well, we already wrapped it like that. We snuck them in without you seeing them. Gave them to Tammy, she went and put them on.